Good morning. Today we shall look at International Maths Olympiad paper Class 3 2014 Set B. Class 3 IMO Olympiad 2014 Set B. First question. Which figure comes next in the given figure pattern? Here, what is the pattern here? Here, how many squares are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 squares. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares. Here 4 squares. Here 3 squares. Then here 2 squares. So here 2 squares. Then here 1 circle, 2 circle, 3 circle, 4 circle. So here 5 circles. So 5 circle and 2 squares. Which is the option? 2 squares. That is this or this. And 5 circles. So this. So this is the correct option. Next question. Choose the fish that does not belong to the group. Here 645, 836, 924, 483. If we add the numbers in this digit, so 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. If we add this, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 6, 17. Here 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 4, 15. Here 4 plus 8, 12, 12 plus 3, 15. So which is the odd one? B is the odd one. That is 836. Next question. Here if this equal to this and this equal to this and then this equal to how much? That is this triangle. This triangle equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 this. So how many triangles are here? 2 triangles. So 10 this. 10 plus 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 this equal to 3 plus this one. So this one equal to 15 minus 3. That is 12. So this equal to 12 this one. So which is the option? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. B is the correct option. Next question. Which of the following options shows the correct mirror image of a figure X? This is the mirror. So what we get? That is we have to rotate this like this side, left side. So this is the option. B is the correct option. Next question. 4 friends ran in a race competition. Mohit stood the last. Then Rohan is not third and Riya is not first. Rohan not third. Third one is not Rohan. And Riya is not first. Not. Then Kirti stood after Rohan but before Riya. So Riya is here and Rohan is here. Kirti is in between. Kirti stood after Rohan but before Riya. So this is the arrangement. Who stood at the third position? So third is Riya. So C is the correct option. Next question. Which solid is used to draw the shape X? This is a rectangle shape, is it? Yes. So in this we use this matchbox to draw this rectangle. Next one, find the figure from the options which is not exactly embedded in figure X. That is, figure X is this. So, this is here. This one is this. And then this is here. This one is this. And this is this one. So, which is not embedded here? This one. So, C is the correct option. Next question. How many ways can a cat reach its food? This is the cat. Here, one way is, which one? This one is one way. And this one is, arrow is here. So, this one is second. And this one is third. This one is fourth. So, how many ways? 4 ways. Next one, find the combination of the numbers so that letters are arranged accordingly to form a meaningful word. You look at the options, or you have to find which is the word. So, if we look at this, we get MOUTH is one meaningful word, mouth. That is, M means 3, O means 4, U means 2, T means 5, and H means 1. 3, 4, 2, 5, 1. 3, 4, 2, 5, 1. A is the correct option. Find the missing number if a certain rule is applied row-wise or column-wise. Here, if we look at the column-wise, 5 minus 4 equal to 1. But 0 minus 3 is not here. So, it's not correct. Here, if we adding this 7 plus 3, so 0 in one's place. Here 4 plus 1, 5. So 3 plus how many equal to 5? 3 plus 2 equal to 5. So B is the correct option. Next question. Which of the following figures shows that 3 by 5 of the figure is shaded? 3 by 5 means 3 by 5 means here all of them have 10 equal parts. Is it? Yes, 10 equal parts. So, it becomes 3 by 5 becomes 3 into here 3 by 5 becomes 3 by 5 becomes 3 into 2 by 5 into 2. That is 6 by 10. So here, which is a 6 by 10? Shaded part. That is here, this is 4 by 10. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is half, this is a half. So, 1 whole. So, 6. 6 by 10 is this. So, B is the correct option. This is 2 by 10. And this is 5 by 10. This is 4 by 10. So, which is the correct option? B. What is the time shown on the clock? Here, the time is after 4, before 5. So, 4, that is our hand is in between 4 and 5. So, 4, then 9. So, 9 5s are 45. So, 4:45 is the time. That is 15 minutes past 5. 15 minutes past 5 means 5:15. So it's not correct. 15 minutes past 4 means 4:15. That's not correct. 15 minutes to 5. So that is 4:45. So B is the correct option. 15 minutes to 4 means 3:45. So it's not correct. So B is the correct option. 15 minutes to 5. Find the value of P. Here 24 into 1 P equal to this. So how we get the number P? That is here 4 into something equal to 1's place 2. So in 4th table 3 4s are 12 or 8 4s are 32. Two of them have 2 in 1's place. So if we look at 3, 4 3s are 12, 1, 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7 is not here. So we have to do 8. 4 8s are 32. 3. 2 8s are 16 plus 3, 19. 1 4s are 4. 1 2s are 2. Then adding up 2, 9 plus 4, 13, 1 carry over, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 432. So P is 8. Next question. 14th question. Which of the given abacus shows the number greater than 2000? That is in thousands place 2 or more than 2. Thousands place 2 or more than 2. Here thousands place 1. Here thousands place 1. Here thousands place 1. So this is the correct option. More than 2. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5231. So this is the correct option. Next one, the given figure graph shows the favorite fruit of a group of pupils. Find the total number of fruits. So how many flowers are here? That is apple represents 5 flowers. Orange represents 2 flowers. Peach represents 3 flowers. Banana represents 4 flowers. So how many flowers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 flowers are there. Each flower stands for how many fruits? 6 fruits. So how many total fruits? 14 into 6. That is 4 6 are 24. 2, 1 6 are 6 plus 2, 8. So 84. D is the correct option. Next question. 16th question. Madhulika has some money in her money box. She has the amount as shown here. Here is the amount. Her friend Sonika has some rupee note with her. She wants to exchange these with Madhulika. Which of the amount shown below is same as Madhulika's amount? So how many here? Here how many 5s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 5s are how much? 30 rupees. Then 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 2s means 5 2s. That is 10. Then how many 1s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 1s means 5. So how much? 30 plus 10, 40. 40 plus 5, 45. So which is the option? Here 20 plus 20, that is 40. This is 100 rupees. This is 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 20, 40. 40 plus 5, 45. This is 10 plus 10, 20. So which is the correct option? This C is the correct option. Next question. What is the weight of R? How we get the weight of the R? Here 2P 2Q equal to 20. That is 2P 2Q equal to 20. 2P plus 2Q equal to 20. That is P plus Q equal to 20 by 2. that is 10. So PQ equal to 10. PQR equal to 15. So R equal to 5. So 5 kilogram. Here find the value of heart. The sum of 690 and 4 is this green heart. That is 690 plus 4 equal to 694. So green heart equal to 694. On multiplying green heart with remainder of 690 divided by 4, we get the red heart. So which is the remainder? 690 divided by 4. How many 4s are in 6? 1 4s are 4, 2 29, 6 4s are 7 4s are 28. So 1 10, 2 4s are 8. 2 is the remainder. So multiplying this green heart with the remainder is 2. So 694 into 2. 4 2s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 8 1, 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 1 13. So 1388. B is the correct option. Next question. 19th question. The sum of 1727 and 6475 is. So we have to add up this 1727 plus 6475. 7 plus 5, that is 12. 2, 1 carry over, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 7, 10. 0, 1 carry over, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 6, 8. 8202. Which is the option? 8202. B is the correct option. This is 82,002, not 7,202, no 8,220, no 202 is the correct option. So B is the correct option. Next question. 12 tens 14 ones plus 36 tens 52 ones equal to this flower minus 173. Find the value of flower. So 12 tens means 12 into 10, that is 120. And 49 ones, that is 49. So 9, 6, 1, 169. 36 tens means 36 into 10, 360. Then 52 ones means 52 into 1, that is 52. So adding up 2, 6 plus 5, 11, 1 carry over 4. 412. So adding these two, 169 plus 412, that is 9 plus 2, 11, 1 carry over, 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 4 plus 1, 5, 581. So this is 581. This is equal to 581, equal to flower minus 173. So flower equal to 581 plus 173. That is 3 plus 1, 4. 8 plus 7, 15. 5, 1 carry over. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 754. A is the correct option. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and please share it for more such sessions. Thanks for watching, and we will be back soon. Bye bye.